Today I'm going to show you how to use the needle ease, and I'm going to show you also how to optimize it to set your needles with precision using this little magnet here. So darn, I broke a needle, so I'm going to take it out. Tip broke right off. So I'm just going to grab another needle. When you go to use the needle ease, there's a little collar here that pulls down. There's also a little mechanism that's in there. You might be able to see that. It's a little point. So what you do is you pull the collar down, you slide the needle in, up close to the shoulder, like that. Then you're going to spin it. Spin it, and there it is. There's a little click there. What that means is that little pin is right in the groove of the needle. Every needle's a little bit different, so we have the addition of this magnet here, and I'm going to place that right on the front of the needle eye. So you can see it's pretty straight, but I'm going to use that when I go to put it into the needle, insert the needle into the machine. I'm going to make sure that magnet is perpendicular to the machine itself. Get that thread out of the way. Actually, I'm going to take it off and put it in the tip end and insert it up inside the needle holder. Going to get that magnet right on there. And it's really more important that we're going to be looking from above to make sure that it is perpendicular. And there it is. So I'm going to come in with my Madeira screwdriver. I'm holding up, I'm holding it a little bit to the right. I think I went a little too far. There we go. Always make sure you're pushing up a little bit. Remove the magnet, pull the collar back, slide it out. I like to check that again, make sure I've got it nice and straight, or to the right. You want to make sure that you're looking at what your machine manufacturer recommends. Some do recommend straight or slightly to the right. Never to the left.